If you use Recharge on your Shopify website, you'll know that they have a lot of different features and things that you can implement onto your Shopify website to really improve the customer experience, whether it's upsells, whether it's subscriptions, bundles, or things of that nature. So, for an example, if you look at this website here, you see that they're using Recharge to build a pack, so to speak. So you can add different options here and then build this pack. So essentially, a lot of times when you're working with Recharge, you might want to customize how this looks past the limitations that it may have. So they may have an option for you to, edit the colors or edit maybe the text, but maybe you want to tailor the colors to your brand. So I want to show you an example here. I worked with a store and they are using, this was how it currently looked or this is how it originally looked. They're using the subscribe feature on Recharge to essentially let customers either choose between using the one-time purchase feature or actually subscribing to the products that they're selling on a reoccurring basis. So they were using this feature here by Recharge, but they wanted to change the look and feel of the Recharge component. They had a mock-up already provided, and so they came and said, hey, can we get this mock-up to look can we get this current component to look like our mock-up here? Because it's limited right now on the customizer with what we can do. And so the cool thing about Shopify and the ecosystem is when you use these third-party apps like Recharge, that you can actually customize it. So this is how the final result look like. And so to get from here to here, just breaking down my process, how I helped out this merchant here. Essentially, all we did was we used code. So with code, we were able to go in and so if you look here, if you compare the two, the select option here is now at the top right. You see this benefits title here is now included on top of these options here. You'll see the color is changed. You'll see there's more of a border radius here. You'll also notice the drop down arrow is different between the two. And so we were able to go and build this feature in with code. And so this is just showing that it is possible to actually implement these changes. If you're using a third-party tool, if you're using a mockup, in this case Recharge, and you want to make those customizations to tailor it more to your brand and to really allow these third-party apps to look like they're a part of your website. You don't want customers to come on your website and can easily tell that this is an app. Maybe it's not fitting in with the layout or the structure of your website. You want customers to be able to come to the website, in this case, the product page, and be able to tell that this is a feature that's part of the website. So with code, it's definitely possible. And I just wanted to share an example of how this can be done. So if this is something that you're looking to implement on your website, maybe you're looking for a third-party app, or you already have a third-party app and you want to make customizations to allow the look and feel to look closer to your website's look and feel free to reach out. I'll be more than happy to help out. All my information is down below. But I just want to share a quick example of what we were able to do with a merchant here. Again, if you're using something like this, or you already have an app that you have on your website and you want to build the look and feel to match what it is that it is on your website, be more than happy to help. Feel free to reach out and take a look around our website here. All the information is down below. But once again, just wanted to share this video to share with you some ideas of how you can customize these third-party apps to match the look and feel of your website.